Hi traders. This guide will walk you through the process of logging into your DXTrade platform at Traders with Edge. You always start by visiting our page at www.traderswithedge.com. Once you decide to purchase any challenge that you prefer, just place the order and fill out some details. Once you successfully finish the process, you will receive an email containing your login information to the platform, your trader's dashboard, and the direct URL for accessing the DXTrade platform. If, for some reason, you didn't get this email or can't find the URL, please contact our live support or email us at support@traderswithedge.com. If you already have an existing account, just follow the next step and make sure you have your login credentials ready. Next up, click the DXTrade platform URL in the email that you received from us. When entering your username, remember that it is case sensitive. This means you must match the case exactly as it appears in your credentials. Lowercase letters should be entered in lowercase, and uppercase letters in uppercase. Also, ensure there are no spaces or extra characters when you input your username. Next, you will need to enter your password. It's usually easiest to copy and paste this to avoid errors, but remember, passwords are also case sensitive. If your password includes uppercase or lowercase letters, make sure to enter them correctly. If you're unsure about what you've typed, you can click on the eye icon next to the password field to reveal your password and check for any mistakes. Once your username and password are correctly entered, simply click the Login button. You'll then gain access to the platform, where you can choose the account you wish to use for trading. Account selection can be found in the upper right-hand corner of the interface. And that's it. Once you're on the platform, feel free to navigate and test its features. Also, check out our other video tutorials to guide you more in using the DXTrade platform. Happy trading!